Infrastructure investment meets strategic positioning this week across Hudson Valley business corridors. From Orange County's manufacturing pivot to Catskill's downtown transformation and proposed rail enhancements, local leaders are building for sustained growth rather than quick wins. Let's dive into the local wins that are reshaping our region. Orange County is strategically repositioning its warehouse infrastructure to attract semiconductor and pharmaceutical manufacturers. Officials have entered a sister city agreement with Kaohsiung, Taiwan, and are actively courting foreign investment in high-tech manufacturing. The strategy is already yielding results. Garnet Pharmaceutical, a Mumbai-based company, announced a $46.1 million, 200,000 square foot facility near Stewart Airport that will become the world's largest chlorhexidine gluconate manufacturing operation. The project, supported by $3.8 million in state investment, will create 100 full-time pharmaceutical positions and is scheduled to begin production in January 2027. Meanwhile, the village of Catskill has been awarded $10 million through New York State's Downtown Revitalization Initiative after refining its application for the third time. The funding targets the Downtown Creek District with proposed projects including Hopono's Homes public housing improvements, historic building adaptive reuse, accessible community spaces, and waterfront enhancements including kayak and ferry docking facilities. A local planning committee co-chaired by Village Board President Natasha Law is leading a 9-month strategic planning process, with implementation expected to begin within 2 years. And Governor Hochul's proposed Hudson Valley rail improvements are advancing through the state budget process, with $25 million allocated for planning and design. The infrastructure upgrades promise to cut travel times by up to 15 minutes for certain trips and establish reliable Super Express Metro North service to Poughkeepsie in under 90 minutes. Proposed improvements include a second track at Spite and Dival, enhanced signaling and track work at Croton Harmon, capacity improvements at Poughkeepsie Yard, and climate resilience investments along the most vulnerable Hudson Line segments. So what does this mean for Valley businesses? Orange County's semiconductor and pharma strategy creates opportunities for suppliers, contractors, and service providers in advanced manufacturing. Companies should monitor emerging industrial zones and partnership opportunities with foreign investment projects. Catskill's Downtown Revitalization Initiative signals broader state investment in Hudson Valley downtowns. Real estate developers, cultural institutions, and adaptive reuse specialists should track similar opportunities in other riverside communities. And improved rail service enhances property values and business accessibility along the Metro North Corridor. Companies considering expansion should factor in enhanced connectivity between New York City and mid-Hudson Valley markets. As Connor Eckert, CEO of the Orange County Partnership, puts it, we're making a play in the semiconductor sector, positioning Orange County as a bridge between New York City and the capital region's chip manufacturing investments. This strategic focus shows sustainable growth isn't about chasing headlines, but aligning with what the region can sustain and excel at. Speaking of strategic conversations, this September we're launching the HV Vibes Business Intelligence podcast, bringing you deeper conversations with Hudson Valley's most strategic business leaders, innovators, and decision makers. Think local executives unpacking market moves, entrepreneurs sharing growth strategies, and regional experts breaking down what's really driving Valley business success. Want to be a guest? If you're building something noteworthy in the Hudson Valley business ecosystem, we want to hear your story. Email ed@hvvibes.com with your background and what insights you'd bring to our audience. We're also opening limited September partnership slots for forward-thinking Hudson Valley businesses, ready to reach our 12,000 plus engaged followers across Instagram, newsletter subscribers, LinkedIn, YouTube, and our growing podcast audience. Email ed@hvvibes.com to position your company as an innovative local leader in this movement. I'm grateful for every strategic thinker and infrastructure investor building Hudson Valley's future, from Orange County's industrial partnerships to Catskill's downtown vision and rail advocates improving regional connectivity. Your work becomes our competitive advantage. This is Ed Weeks Jr., your Hudson Valley business intel source, building strategic advantage one conversation at a time.